So yesterday we installed some new Ironman 4x4 Pro Forge UCAs on Luke's 4Runner. Actually, it's his wife Lauren's truck. And he asked me to go get it aligned this morning. And I did. I took it in, got it all done. And then on my way back into work, I might have gotten a little distracted and wound up about an hour and a half away on the backside of Mount Hood running some trails. I just want to be thorough in my testing to make sure that that alignment sets in just right. The Foam Cell Pros actually were invented for a military application. The Aussies in their military trucks, they kept overheating and fading their shocks and they could not find a solution. So Ironman 4x4 stepped up, utilized a great technology, the Foam Cell technology, and built them a ginormous Foam Cell Pro shock body with a ton of oil in it. That's why the military went with it, because you couldn't overheat them, couldn't fade them, couldn't burn them up. The Foam Cell Pro struts and shocks, they have almost a 3-inch outer diameter on the shock body. It's one of the largest shocks you can get out there that we can actually get inside of a coil that'll bolt directly into your OEM application. On our 4Runner, the Foam Cell Pros are adjustable coilovers, so we can fine tune them. So if you've got a little bit of left-hand lean, which the Prados are known for, you can dial that out, get it riding perfectly level. And when you're setting up your Foam Cell Pros, remember you've got different spring options too. So depending on the kind of weight that you've got in your truck, let us know and we can help you figure out exactly the right coil to throw on top of those Foam Cell Pros. You're going to get more room to fit a bigger size tire underneath your rig. Ironman 4x4 also gives you a 3-year warranty on all of our suspension components, which is kind of unheard of in our industry. Usually it's about a year, but we're building these things tough as tanks, so you're not going to have any problems with them, and if you do, you know we're going to back you up on it. Well, I just wanted to do a quick check-in with you guys. I've burned way too much time now, so I should probably be getting back. Luke's going to want to know why there's no fuel in his truck. Hey, if you want to check out the Ironman 4x4 Foam Cell Pro suspension, check it out at ironman4x4america.com. If you like the content we're putting out, hit like and subscribe, punch that bell, then you'll get notified when we drop new content, and make sure to follow us at Facebook and Instagram.